welcome to Amavia TV. I'm Jean de Dieu Ndacyayisenga from Rwanda. So you are most welcome to a new episode, which means it's a special one because it's my story, little boy Johnny story. So I'm very pleased to share my life story with different episode. I hope so you will enjoy my story, little boy Johnny life. There are something that I have learned this process. And that life story is very important, and it is useful tool that we can share with different people. We can share with our families. We can share with different community so that they can learn through and even share with others. I have learned that everything starts with the story and end also with the story. So the story is very important and is very key in our life. So starting from the birth, starting from everywhere, whatever we are doing is a story. That is story, it can contribute in too many ways in our life. So the life is made up with stories, and also we have to tell and share with the world, the community, with our story. So today is a great moment to share with you the little boy Johnny story. You will know how it is started, and you will know how it will end. So as I mentioned, the story start with everything start with a story, and this story will continue. And after my life cycle, so the story will continue. Either will continue with my children, either will continue with my friends, either will continue with others who will continue and build on what was being shared through this story. So today I'm going to share with you my first episode, little boy Johnny life. So it was on the 15th 1983. A little boy child was born in the simplest family, living in a normal life as other African countries. He was born in Rwanda, living in a normal life as other African countries. He was born in Rwanda, the heart of Africa, the country of thousand hills, born from where the sun shines, from Eastern Province, Rwamagana District, Fumbe sector. Fumbe, which is commonly known name in Rwandan culture, especially in the proverb, where there is a proverb, utazi akara ifumbwe alaza ifu. The meaning somehow is very difficult to translate, but if anyone knows the meaning, please translate this proverb in the comments so that other followers we know what the meaning of this proverb. 3 kilometers far away to market, to Nyagasam market, which is also commonly known in a Rwandan song called Ni Nyagasam Burirarema of Jean-Christophe Matata, as the famous location where many people attending to market for their different products and exchanging for the money. The fourth little boy in the family of mother, father, and 3 other boys. On his bar, everyone was very happy. Porridge, rice, and other drinks like beer characterized the first week of the little boy in the family. On his bus, everyone was very happy. The porridge, rice, and the other drinks characterized the first week of the little boy in the family. He grown up in a rural community lifestyle. After a certain week, his mother went with him every day on the farm growing various crops, including beans, cassava, maize, potato, sorghum, etc. And sometimes in dry season vegetables such as cabbage, tomato, eggplants, onion, and others in the marshland near Nyagasam market. The family was rearing livestock such as cow and goat. The little boy at age 2 started observing his older brothers who used to take care of cows and goats, and sometimes took a stick following them, but their parent couldn't allow him to follow them in the bush as well as in the pasture. The boy loved taking care of cows and goats. Finally, at age 3, his parent allowed him to join to take care of of cows and goats with his brothers. It was a funny moment, going behind, aside, and even going in front of cows and goats toward going and returning from the pasture land for livestock grazing. The funniest moment was just seeing the cow cutting the grasses with an appetite, as well as eating crops in the farm, which were not even accepted. The boy is now called Ndacyayisenga, which means I'm still praying, and let alone get another name, Christian name, at certain age that I will be telling you in the coming episode. So thank you so much for watching and listening. Please don't miss the next episode. The little boy child started in primary school. It was really interesting. Don't ask him about the nursery, like the current education system. I don't know even if it was there. Don't miss it. We love you, and do subscribe if not yet subscribed. Comment, like, and share with your friend. See you next time.